Today I am making a Rosemary Pomegranate Spritzer, which is a delicious cocktail or mocktail pitcher drink, perfect for entertaining this holiday season. First, I'm going to show you how to seed a pomegranate in 30 seconds. I'm going to score the outside of this all the way around with my sharp knife, and then I'm going to use my thumbs to break it apart. I'm going to take 1/2 of this over top of a nice deep bowl, and I'm going to use a hard spoon and knock all the seeds out. I like to fill the ice trays pretty much halfway with the pomegranate seeds because it gives a nice red color to our pitcher drink, and into the freezer they go. So now we're going to assemble our pitcher drink. First, I'm going to slice my lime nice and thin. All right, right into the pitcher with the limes. Next, I'm going to add my rosemary to the pitcher. Just breaking it up a little bit, moving those leaves around just a little bit in my fingers to release the flavors and aroma. So now we're making this a cocktail using vodka. You can also use gin if you prefer, and you can make it a mocktail and completely skip the alcohol altogether. 1 cup of vodka. Next is our club soda and ginger ale. I'm gonna fill my glasses with the pomegranate ice cubes. I'm gonna add a sprig of rosemary to each glass, and then I'm gonna fill them up. So you see, it makes for a beautiful centerpiece or a delicious drink.